Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Xbox up with the error code 0x87e00004 in Windows 11 computer. So this error 0x87a00004 can soar the gaming experience significantly. It blocks access to games, installing playtime for those using Xbox app or Game Pass. Beyond that, it disrupts updates or installations, potentially leaving titles outdated or unplayable, while repeated failures waste time and bandwidth. And common reasons, this error include network server connections, corrupted app data, and outdated Windows setup. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard and pop up this run. So here in box, then we need to type this command keyword wsreset.exe. So just type this command keyword wsreset.exe, that is one word, and then click OK. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So that's why we will perform or we will do this command keyword ws resets that Microsoft Store go back to default settings and to fix this error. Alright, so once you're done here at Microsoft Store and we need to close, and the other solutions that we're going to do is to repair and reset Xbox app, Microsoft Store, and gaming services. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter I on your keyboard to open the Windows settings. And then once open up, at left side menu, and then you need to select apps and then click. And on right side, and then you need to tap this installed apps. And under at installed apps, and you can see here search apps, and then we need to type this Xbox, and automatically you can see now these three apps for Xbox. So we have Xbox, Xbox console, and then Xbox Live. So all you have to do is to select the three dot on the right side, and then you need to tap advanced option. And here at advanced option settings, and then scroll down and select reset. So if this app isn't working right, then we can try to repair it. And then you need to tap this repair and wait to complete the repair process. And repair process complete. And then next, if this app is still isn't working right, and then the time you need to reset. And then you need to tap this reset. And this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. And then you need to tap this reset and wait to complete the reset process. And reset process complete, and then in hope to resolve the issues. But if the error still persists, and the other solutions that we're going to do is to check the services. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type services and then click open. So here at services and services local, and on right side, and then we need to find and locate this Windows update. So scroll down and then find this Windows update. So all you have to do is to select and then right click. So you need to check if it's already running or not. So all you can see, this services is already running, and then you need to click this restart and wait to complete the restart process. And after that, then you need to double click. So here at general properties, startup type, and then select automatic, and then click apply, and then click OK. Alright, and the other keyword that we need to modify is the Xbox Live Out Manager. So you need to select this Xbox Live Out Manager. So select and then right click, and then check these services if it's running or not. So this services is already running, and then you need to click this restart and wait again to complete the restart process. And after that, you need to double click. And then here at General Properties, Startup Type, select Automatic, and then click Apply, and then click OK. And the other one is the Xbox Live Game Save. So same procedure, select and then right click. So this services is not running, so all you have to do is to double click. And then here at General Properties, Startup Type, you need to select Automatic. So here at Service Status, and then you need to click Start and wait to complete the start process. And after that, click Apply and then click OK. And the last keyword is the Xbox Live Networking Services. So same procedure, select and then right click. So this services is already running, and then you need to click Restart and wait to complete the restart process. And after that, you need to double click. So here at General Properties, Startup Type, select Automatic, click Apply, and then click OK. And after here at Services, and then we need to close. And then here at Start menu, then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Xbox app with the error code 0x87e00004 in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.